dey enjoy village life reach me, because as I went to the village last time, I ate a lot of bushmeat, and this monitor lizard was one of them. So I did a video on how I prepared guinea fowl bought by my grandmother. So on this fateful day, it was around 8 p.m. when a hunter brought this monitor lizard to grandma, and instantly we got to on our feet and started preparing it. So for today, this monitor lizard was gotten for about 3,500. How much will it cost in your area, and do you eat it? Many cultures and traditions don't normally eat this one. First thing we did was to take it to fire and burn out the skin. As you can see in the video, immediately the meat was placed on the fire, the knife was used to scrape out this outer skin. So after the burning, scraping and everything, the next thing to do is to butcher your meat. Okay, I have an elder brother who is good in that aspect, so immediately took out the knife and started dissecting all the dissectable. I was like, brother, wait now, you don't kick out before. So he started cutting it, started by removing the ears, the ham, the but you no go believe, oh, this lizard there, it contains a lot of eggs. I was made to understand so that some can lay as much as 30 to 35 eggs. Just hold on and you will see the plenty eggs gotten from my monitor lizard, and the eggs are very edible. When it was prepared, it just looked like chicken eggs. Monitor lizards are large reptiles that are mainly found in parts of Africa, Asia and Australia. They are characterized by their elongated body, muscular tail, strong limbs and sharp claws. They thrive in diverse environments including forests, desert, mangroves and grassland. Monitor lizards are excellent climbers, swimmers and burrowers. That's why they can live anywhere. So when all the meat has been fully dissected, including the egg, I told you the eggs are edible. I will show you how we prepare the egg later. Okay, the meat is now placed in a bowl and washed thoroughly. At least wash about 2 or 3 times to make sure that the meat is free of any sand, any impurity. Okay, so arrange your meat into your pot, like the meat will be down while the egg will be on top. The eggs is not your regular egg, so it's so tough, like you have to cook it very well. Even after cooking, you have to still smoke it or put it in oven before it can be edible. So after that, season your meat with your desired spices ranging from curry, thyme, but this day na village we not use past onions and seasoning cube including salt. Mama later added some fresh peppers too, because just at the back of the house, just pluck 1 or 2 and slice into this meat to give it some kind of spiciness. So cook the meat for about 2 or 3 hours, including the eggs, until it is very soft. So after which you now transfer into your nest or anything you want to smoke it with and leave it on the fire. So just like any other meat, this meat can be used for your egusi, black soup, okra soup, stew. You can even use it to drink your garri. So guys, if you have stayed with me till this time, thank you very much. You are the real MVP. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, because I'll be dropping new videos every week, sometimes twice in a week, so I'm among the first to get notified. So until next week when I come again with another beautiful and interesting video, from me to you, I say thank you and bye.